We see one more example in the directional sense test. 7 villages A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are situated as follows. E is 2 km to the west of B, F is 2 kilometers to the north of A, C is 1 kilometer to the west of A, D is 2 km to the south of G, G is 2 km to the east of C, D is exactly in the middle of B and E. In this case, in like this, when question is there, you have to plot these villages like this in the diagram. For that, you have to connecting villages, like to draw this diagram. First, you have to go for this. E is 2 km to the west of B. Here E is equal to 2 km to the west of B. Here B, first mark it to the west 2 kilometers. You have marked it 2. This is 2 km E. Then second statement, you have to go for this. D is 2 km to the south of G. See, from D you can make north 2 km or mark it here, and now you can see that the D is 2 kilometers away from the G in the south direction. So that is the okay. Then third statement is G is 2 kilometers to the east of C. Now G here, it is east of C. This is C, and this is 2 kilometers away from the G is away from the C by 2 kilometers, and it is towards the east. So then mark C and join line this. Then that is the start test. Then C is 1 kilometer to the west of A. So in between, these are 2 kilometers. So in between middle of this, A will be there. So C is 1 kilometer away from means that is exactly middle in the of there. Then fifth statement is F is 2 kilometers north of A. Here F, you mark one statement from A to F 2 kilometers to the north of the A. So that is all plotted. So then last statement, D is exactly in the middle of B and E. So here already we have marked it. It is exactly in the middle of the D. So these are the by equation, by the 6 equations we can mark this. How based on this we have to solve 3 questions. That is, A is in the middle of what? 2 villages. What are the villages? A is in the middle of C and G. Okay. Then which 2 villages are farthest from one another? So here farthest is, this is 2 km, this is 2 km 4, but this is the vertical side. So it is hypotenuse side. F and B, they are far off from each other. This B here and F is here. So this is F and B are farthest from each other. How far E from F in the kilometers? How far the distance between E and F? E and F is, this is 2 km, this is 2 km, this is also 2 km. So 2 plus 2, 4 kilometers. Okay, thank you.